27-pound lobster. The giant crustacean was netted near Rockland and brought to the Maine State Aquarium. There's no room for him there, so Rocky is actually going to go back into the ocean.
It's a free Rocky, right?
Free Willy, free Rocky.
Today's mild temperatures ended up putting some plans on ice.
Yeah, conditions not exactly optimal for skating at Boston's Frog Pond. City closed the pond this afternoon. They hoping to reopen it tomorrow, and I guess we got to ask Pete, will the weather actually cooperate for that?
56 degrees tomorrow in Boston. We're 57 degrees. Give it another day, Mayor, and then we'll get the temperatures a little bit colder as we get into Friday. But boy, that 57 more typical of the 17th of April, just after tax day. Worcester at 50, that's more typical of April 3rd. What is up with this winter? It just keeps rolling on. We're over 5 degrees above normal for both December, January, and February, all three. 44 in town now. Our temps don't drop all that much tonight. We're watching these showers starting to grow near New London, Connecticut, and just off of Montauk Point. These are headed for the Cape and the islands. I think that will be our best chance of seeing some steady precip, and even then it'll last maybe, what, a half hour at best. We have a few more showers that may be scraping by first thing in the morning. A weak weather system this one is, and it's not looking like a big deal for us. Try to get this going at 10 o'clock. Hello. Get the hamsters going on that computer. Anyway, mild day tomorrow. Temperatures are in the 50s. There's a front that comes in to cool us off. The question is how much? And that is key to Friday's forecast. If we get a lot of cold air in here, we may be looking at some steady snow for a few hours in northern Mass and southern New Hampshire. To be honest with you, I'm not totally sold that the cold air gets in here. We're having a 50-degree day tomorrow, and then you're going to bring down temperatures into the 30s and hold them there for Friday. Sure, it's possible. But as far as getting it to freezing and holding it there, that's going to be difficult. And the upper atmosphere, too, will be warming up. So I see us getting some mix and some snow, maybe an inch or two, and that's about it across northern Mass and southern New Hampshire. Windy and colder on Saturday. Temperatures will be in the 50s tomorrow. There it is again in Boston. 55 in Acton, 56 in Framingham. We're getting that bounce in the morning with temperatures in the 40s, so it doesn't take much. A little bit of sunshine sprinkled in and a break in the clouds in the afternoon, and we'll be there. But here's the disparity on Friday. We're still seeing 30s, but mid and upper 30s northwest of the city, 40 in the city, and then Marshfield to Hyannis will go for low 40s too. So a big change up in the numbers. Friday, there still may be some slick spots on the northern end of 495 and north of about Wakefield and Stoneham up into southern New Hampshire on 93, and then the outer part of the Pike. It's not going to be a lot. I mean, a skim coating, maybe an inch of snow in this area of White here, or 2 inches, and then we go over to rain as we get to the noontime hour, because the mild air will eventually work into the picture here, but it doesn't take much to be slipping and sliding. Thankfully, we don't have school, so it's not going to be like a lot of traffic on the roads, but still, we'll watch it carefully. Cloudy skies tonight, shower toward morning about 39 to 44, and tomorrow 50 to 54 with a morning shower and then afternoon clearing. There's the 7 on 7 forecast. A blustery weekend and more seasonal. That's what February should be like, or even early March. And next week, we go for those low 50s once again. See you tomorrow.
Thanks, Pete. Adele apologizing to fans for flipping the finger at an award show last night.
She says her gesture wasn't meant